All right, so we got to pull this all out of here. Honey, can you lift that? That's pretty heavy. You want me to get it? Oh, shoot, she got it. All right, so to get this out of here, oh wait, there's another thing in here. You got to kind of lift it up like this. Because under here, there's like a little clip there. Oh, you want to do it? There's one more thing in there. See right there? That pops out. You got to pop it off over that those little screw things. Okay, now we can put the thing in there. Did you already cut it?
Now I want to see if they're all 14 and a half.
Oh, that are these standard? See how this is all marked up?
Not necessarily, no. But those were 14 and a half. This is too.
Okay, so that's 14 and a half too? Here. And if you can just, oh, it shows you right here what it is.
Yeah, but it's not always the same. So it's right after. It's in the middle of.
Right here?
It's in the middle of this one.
Okay, got it. Okay, we're good? Scissors? Whoa. Just don't cut my finger off.
So we're in the middle of
You sure you got it? All right, I'm holding it. Oh, that's a tough one to do. I mean, if you're off by like an eighth of an inch, I think it's a big deal. Okay, that one's done. Okay, so now we've got to do. Okay, we're right here. All right, so now I got to help you. Okay, so we got to get the tips like that, right? And I got to pull this. And I'm pulling this off. Okay, we're good. We got that.
Okay.
All right, let me go. Okay, now we got to just get it perfectly in there. If you can. Oh shoot.
Move your hand.
Do you want me to?
No.
So you don't want me to help? Oh look, we're a little short on that.
Things go there, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, so nobody will see
all my
that?
stuff goes
Yeah, nobody will see that. So now she's gonna roll it out. See the technique? I call her my little genius. Oh look, we were off by about a quarter inch.
No, not even. Look.
But it's still okay, right?
Fine. Yeah.
Still looks pretty good. Now to put it in, we got to set it up over these little things here, and then it rolls down that track on both sides. So we're gonna put this one back in.
So with the holes, I can put pins in it.
Okay, here we go. See the little things on the back? So she's got to get those just over that, and then she's got to lift it up a little bit like that, and then it just slides in. And bam, we just put everything back in there, and we're good. Can you lift that okay? Do you want me to help? Here, let me help.
I found a whole set of.
I noticed. I think we need.
I took out all my really old stuff, and I'm using what was my new stuff. This goes here, and my and old stuff.
I was thinking about buying you more forks.
I took out all the shitty ones.
Oh, right here, this thing.
Where'd that go? The purple one.
The purple one?
That was in the back. Where did I just put that?
I think you put it in the back already.
No, I took. Oh, I did.
Yeah, it's back
I
there.
did. That's funny.
All right, so that one's done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out all our forks. Peace out.